Let's pour some Stamperia ceramic powder. You'll need a cup, some water, and a stir stick. I'm using 1/4 of a cup of powder. This should be a 2-to-1 ratio, so I'm only using 1/8 of a cup of water. I'm actually going to add a touch more powder just to thicken up the mixture a little. You're looking for a consistency like runny pancake batter. Then you just pour it into the mold. Try not to overfill. You can fix it if you do. Press gently from underneath to release your mold. If you have overfilled, you can simply break off the extra pieces at this point. The Stamperia ceramic powder gives great detail, so simply paint your pieces up when you're ready. I used Wise Owl's 1 hour enamel in the color wrought iron and then Pentart wax paste in gold to bring out all the details. I then glued them all down to a sign I made with a cute little Cajun play on words. You can find the products I used in my booth locations or find your local retailer. I'm Gingy with Louisiana Creations. Thanks for watching and hit that like button and subscribe or follow me.